Okay, we're going to use trig functions to find the missing side of a right triangle. You must have a right triangle to work these three basic trig functions. Okay, also I want you to get in the habit of writing down the acronym SOHCAHTOA. So go ahead and get SOH, okay? And then I'm leaving a space here because I'm going to spell out some of these things. So CAH, okay? And then tangent is OA. All right, so sine. Now I'm going to give you the formula chart, okay? Will be available at your desk. And I want you to locate trigonometry. Now, when you're seeing sine, here's my referenced angle. That's just because this is my referenced angle. I want you to realize that we're doing sine is angle over is equal to over h. Here's my CAH, my T for tangent, and my O and my A. All right. Now, I need you to do this. We're given 40 degrees, all right? So that's my referenced angle. So I want you to point to the opposite side. There's the O. There's the 90, so you should already have this understood. This is hypotenuse, okay? If you'll get those two sides labeled, or, get the O and the H labeled, the A, there's no guesswork. It automatically is that third side, okay? Now, ask yourself, of the three letters, we need two, okay? We are given the O and the H, 20 and X. So therefore, I'm going to have to find O and an H. Notice this one here has my O and H. I won't use this or this, okay? Now, so I'm going to do sine 40 degrees, put that in parentheses, okay, when you write this down, and then go pick up your 20 for the O and divide by the H, which is X, okay, and then comma X. All right, now go to the calculator. All right, now when you go to the calculator, you menu 3-1, okay, like we always have. But now, as soon as you do menu 3-1, I want you to press the trig button. When you press that, all these trig functions come up. We're using the top three only, okay? So I want you to do press enter, okay, on that one. Now, inside the parentheses, you're going to put the 40. Now, here's where you got to do this one thing, okay? I need you to come right down here and press the pi, okay? When you press pi, right here, it brings up this. We need the degree symbol, so arrow down to it and press enter. We must be in degrees, otherwise the answer is in radians, and we're not doing radians, we're doing degrees. Then arrow to the right here, okay, and press equals, okay, and then put in your fraction. So control divide, right? And we are working with 20 over, the opposite is 20, and then the X, right, is hypotenuse. So what are we finding? We are finding the hypotenuse, right? So when we press enter here, this represents X, which is representing the hypotenuse. So now I know that X is equal to 31 point, and it says round to the nearest tenth. So we're going to round to the nearest tenth. What that means is right here, the tenth is the first number to the right of the decimal, right? Then it's tenths, hundredths, thousandths, okay? So what you're going to do is you look to the right, the second one over, the next one over. If that's a 5 or greater, you round that up, okay? Since it's less than 5, it stays a 1, all right? So that is why it stays a 1 here, okay? All right.